Hello everyone, so today we are going to do some fun activities. We are going to draw a beautiful girl and then paint her. Now we'll draw her eyes, her hairs. She's holding a rose, so we'll draw that. Then we'll draw her dress, we'll draw her hands, we'll draw her legs, and then we are going to draw her bread. Then we'll color her clothes. And then moving forward, we'll do a fun art and craft activity. We'll make these circles and cut them carefully. Then we'll take a black board and sprinkle green color over it. Then we are going to paste those flowers on it. You can hang it on your wall. It could be a very beautiful wall art. Moving forward, we are going to draw flowers. In its center, we are going to color it yellow and then its petal to be pink. We're going to draw its stem and color it green. We are going to make many such flowers and look, it's so beautiful. Moving forward, we are going to draw a bicycle. We'll draw its wheels, its handle and a basket in front of it. We'll color it. You can color it of your choice. Then it's going to be a cute dinosaurus. We are going to draw its upper body, its eyes and its cheery, and there are hearts. Now moving forward, we'll take two CDs and draw half circles, and it's going to be a butterfly. Color it with your own choice. We have colored it blue. Blue looks really great on butterflies. Then we are going to draw a bird who's flying across the sea. And then a whole scenery. It's a beautiful scenery where there are trees, there is river, there's a heart, and it's so beautiful. There is greenery. You can color it with your choice. You can make flowers and it's going to look so beautiful. Moving forward, we'll draw a watermelon, color its body green and red. Then we are going to draw a tree, make its stem, leaves and everything. It looks so pretty. Now again, a fun art and craft activity. We are going to make mushrooms and we are going to hang those mushrooms over wall. You can make it wall art. You will paste these mushrooms on this black board, black circular board. Color it with your choice. Then again, a fun art and craft activity. Cut these papers and again, it's a beautiful tree. It looks so pretty. Now moving forward, we'll draw these circles, make many such circles. We are coloring them as pink. Then we are going to make a bouquet and it's going to be a very beautiful bouquet, okay? Make it stem and make a bow-like structure. You can also color this bow-like structure, then make leaves. And thank you so much for watching.